Give up to my artists, give it up guys to the artists. Talent is coming up, we're doing it. But so they don't forget them John Doe. Oh yeah. TS the rapper, TS. TS the rapper, TS. TS the rapper, TS. Simple TS the rapper, TS. TS the rapper, TS. Welcome to John Doe. Everybody wanna walk around this John Doe. All these people wanna squeeze themselves in this John Doe. I'm back in this John Doe. I'ma put flat with the booze in this John Doe. Do it in this John Doe, nigga. Bring them girls in fast, I love game flow, my nigga. Boss on my nigga. Pass the plan, I got double love for my niggas. Always like rock, paper, scissors. Pull up in the party, we always rockin' this John Doe. So you tell somebody never drive past John Doe. I'm back in this John Doe. I'm always happy I'm black, so I dap in this John Doe. I just rap in the tap and was snap in this John Doe. Only dollars allowed to wake up in this John Doe. So this is my John Doe. It's mine. I'm not in the wall of fame, it's not a shame. I'ma put love on this paper when it's a game. I'ma turn you up all night, it's not lame. I'ma do this to this fresh prince like like a party, when you get up a puppy smoke, so be acting naughty. Hot chicks kissing on my chicks, so they love me. Been up at the party's on, and up in the party. Feel like a quality, that we cut these honeys and I bet this thing is cute. Bring them to the valley, feel it by two. I almost put it booze, make it in my crew. So magnificent, full when the house, but mine is so tired. I'm talking with these honeys and my kitchen man gets tired. Running all these lucky shoes, it comes out in the fitness. Damn you says, I'm the lucky one and damn you the cutest. May I take a picture for the love of the fitness? There's your cousins, no one knows under. Damn I have neck, ass thick, fake lips. Damn I have tired, swagger on front. God damn I have neck. They got me so close to taking a risk about it. Might as well. Well, I just wanna risk about it. For the fact that we are here down and John Doe. Pants, John Doe, pants, John Doe. TS the rapper, TS. 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 Guys, this people do the lifting. I don't do much of that lifting. We just do rap. If somebody says something and it hurts, don't take it seriously, it's just a game. Okay, I'm back here, M. John Doe, pants M. John Doe, down M. John Doe, Ukona in Highness, ya rap M. John Doe. Yeah, we go. Last December, I saw you at the first party, and I hope you remember. I was that nigga on the mic, high as fuck, but until I took the girl to come on and drop the mic. Oh, you was laying on the couch by the time, pussy pulling pipes, popping out of smoke, I could tell by the cloud. It's 21st century now, so don't be scared. You can always pop when you get to pass. Two of y'all ladies wanted to come and I gave them stands. 2 of them for fun, they gave me head. Not that I misled, but I'm just trying to make them bad, that's what she said. Did you come around with your girl to party? Would you mind if I act naughty? My boobs are feeling funny. Is my ass too out? Take a picture of my voice. Was it too loud? When I walk you do, I would do the crowd. Girl, take a deep breath. I'm only on 100. Girl, looking fuck that. Crazy night, so I wanna stand, no chit chat. I can give you patch. You looking so cool in your short dress. Swear to God, average niggas would hit that. Should I give it to them? I don't mind that. Guess too many things to be worried about. Like my family, hustle in mind, and we can shut it down if there's no respect. TS the rapper on the mic. Pants and John Doe, down and John Doe, pants and John Doe, we on and John Doe.
I love you.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. If some words might slip through your ears, just watch. It's very funny how people change. Not funny. Why you laughing? Running to the mess and dark in your dick. If it's something, looking at me and seeing a joke, you laugh. If it's funny, It's gonna be said, this is too weird, it's just for money. I'm making some profit, you bitch. Oh, get lost with your salary. Your aiming is low. The vision is to reach your competition isn't scary. I'm tougher than y'all. Put the physique in the first. Ask a girl from the body. I made her come here to confess. When I'm feeling horny and bored, musical theme will accompany me. Then your juice come true. Sick in the physical part of my company. Damn, you got the juice. But it is sweeter than the one I made on the young of me. I got so many ingredients. I gotta work on my recipe. I'm proud to be one of the best chefs. They need to feed in my knowledge. This ain't shit, I haven't said shit. You don't deserve my apology. I'm at the left boy, busy with the speed, trying to break out the part of me. Duplicated scenes when I'm cooking in the kitchen, you can't call me. I got big boys in the hood. We ain't got time for your girl G with them good guys who will stay high. Only be fucking with bad bitches. Man, chick ain't savage. I heard that your people just slipping. So go play outside, kids. Cause I don't have candy for kiddies. They took your chick, she was coming for you. You won't see her coming. I took that mic and abused the youth. You won't see me coming. I'll be at the corner, my niggas are hitters. You won't see them coming. I'll park outside, talk to your boss. You won't see me coming. They took your chick, she was coming for you. You won't see her coming. I took that mic and abused the youth, and you won't see me coming. I'll be at the corner, my niggas are hitters, and you won't see them coming. I'll park outside, talk to your boss. You won't see me coming. I bust them pipes, too much of the pressure, the league is not calling my grandma. They're having a hard time on the line. So buys and often, then I'm the father. What's up with the uncles and aunts? The fingers inside and be if you like them, I got you couldn't even imitate you. Be me with the puff and sips on wrist, man. How you gonna get a sun when you come outside? When the oil, when the heat, when the sun comes out. My be a good father when the sun is alive. That's my boy, that damn is alive. Would you give me half five for the hero inside? They would never sit down with the pride they got. Put them dead steps for the shot dead. I'm hotter than chili, it's left and slippers and billionaire. I'm good for life, be fair, bring time, we cannot compare. Back to back, wanna have a money in the bank. Just for my cheese and the money, I can laugh with the strap. God damn, couldn't do it for my fin back. I gotta get back to the hood. Those are the people I do it for. I came down for the push to the top. Game this change, I can snap for twice. I lay the shit, look at the bad borders. I wake up in the morning with my child first name. Call to the city where my name is called. I'm dead too bad, doesn't break my breath. I'm born to be king as I build my doors. I wet my tongue, I can sleep your turn. I come for you and yes, this one story. Won't get a chance, say sorry. My boss storm and pouring. So bitch, cars ain't calling. My emos like Tony. The niggas are calling. The wish is a blessing. My rap is for mannequins. So charismatic, what dreams I want. I'm ready to go back to bed. I gotta go get it. They took your chick, she was coming for you. You won't see her coming. I took that mic and abused the youth. You won't see them coming. I'll be in the corner, my niggas are hidden. You won't see them coming. I'll park outside, talk to your boss. You won't see me coming. They took your chick, she was coming for you. You won't see her coming. I took that mic and abused the youth. You won't see it coming. See as the rapper on the mic. See as the rapper on the mic. This one is raw, guys. I just recently wrote this. I haven't recorded it, but I have it here. As I always have. It's a ihuki. Sure. Let me up no minds if your mind is in depth. You can just do with mine, hope you're digging too well. I keep saving my time, I have a story to tell. I've got no time for crime, God gifted me well. Let me up no minds if your mind is in depth. You get dusty with mine, hope you're digging too well. I keep saving my time, got a story to tell. I've got no time for crime, God gifted me well. But if you climb too high, take it longer to fall. Drinking with 2 cups, I got a cup to call. Saving them too well, I've got a partner involved. Which is my new craft, I keep it safe in the box, let's get it. Nah, nigga. Take a breath, nigga. I got the tape, you talking size, I'm taking glance, nigga. Heard the mic, we kept them touch, we like a band, nigga. You heard the drum and snares, we taking bands, nigga. Yeah, nigga, when's cash time, nigga? 1,000 skills, I'm in this game, while I'm a grand, nigga. But if you study from the past, then you'll be great, nigga. I brought the core to studio, see if this game changes. Sick niggas, ET niggas. I keep flashing up in your mind, hoping you'll find pictures. Get it? Don't you forget it? Me up no minds if your mind is in depth. You get dusty with minds, hope you're digging too well. I keep saving my time, got a story to tell. I've got no time for crime, God gifted me well. Me up no minds if your mind is in depth. You get dusty with minds, hope you're digging too well. I keep saving my time, I've got a story to tell. I've got no time for crime, God gifted me well. Anything above the skies, it fall onto comfy clouds though. When if I was pride, move P and then take a ride, bro. When they build your castle. I am cafe, the dragon as you blew through consonant. Catch that body and take my pride. I won't make it home tonight. Would you come with me tonight to connect these dots to dots? Mommy wanna kiss me dots. On the mountain I report, I'm never moving forward. You can ask for the clock. We don't really have a lot. People catching heavy out. I'm really on a beauty spot. I'm the part that's missing teeth. They're thinking from the pressure. The bills are best the price. I won't even apologize. I'm the oldest artist. I'm representing. I made my part cause God has gifted. Just like if I'm here for y'all. Keep my head up to the top. I'm two steps close to heavyweight. Look what all this God has given. I am tears to bear, but I'm here live. This is magic. I love it. I've never performed live before. It's my second time performing live, guys. Forgive me. But it's music, guys. I had a chance to perform for you guys, but I don't know if the DJ can allow me to do that. Oh, my first Monday night, I'm not going to my birthday. The Monday night, I'm as a crowd. We are going to do my birthday now. I'm back. I attend the crowd in about okay, and calling our friends I was up one day, let's catch his partner. But it's much love, guys. I'm Tears the rapper. I'm still coming, guys.